Timberwolves trail. Oh, trying for it. And out of bounds as the Nuggets gain possession.
Well, he just didn't make the catch. Didn't look the ball into his hands. He must have thought the ball was going somewhere else.
Murray. Pass to Porter. This one for three. Shot is off.
Fellas, that's exactly the job the big guy has to do for him. Contest every rebound.
Here's Gobert. Here's Gobert. Now Anderson. 6 on the shot clock. Here's Gobert. Porter pulls it in. Jokic. And you can count it. He'll go to the line with a chance to make it 3.
He's one of the best in the league at that. Even with just a tiny sliver, he always seems to find a way to get it up and in.
And if you're just joining us, we played over a minute here in the third. And the Timberwolves call time here. And the Nuggets making a change here. On defense, the Nuggets. Anderson with the ball. He's been patient so far. Nothing yet on the scoreboard. Clock at 6. Outside Conley. Fires for 3. They get it back. Here's Gobert. Banked in off the glass.
He was the first one to react to that miss. Excellent anticipation on his part. A hustle play on the putback by him.
Here's Gordon. Can't get it to go. Right side, Conley. Pass to Anderson. Lays it up and banks it in.
Excellent execution of the plan there.
Denver in the lead. Jokic. The putback slams it back in. Now here's Conley. Shoots the 3. Here's Gobert. And so he draws the foul on the shot. A trip to the line to shoot 2. He's off on the first. And he can't hit the second. Another shot. Towns. And fouled hard that time. He'll get to the line and shoot 2. These are his 3rd and 4th free throw attempts of the game. First one falls for him. Both good from the line that time. Back to Gordon. Foul call that time on the way up. That'll give him 2 chances at the free throw line here. He's shooting free throws, number 4 in 5 here. And the Timberwolves making a change here. Gordon hits both of them. Here's Conley. He's got 5. Back to Brown. Here's Gobert. Pass to Conley. From past the arc. The rebound by Caldwell Pope.
You know, he just hasn't looked right to me. A bit out of sorts, if you will. Something's off with his mechanics, at least as I look at him. Took advantage of some shoddy defense there. They've got to at least get a finger on him.
Now here's Conley. Back to Brown. Left side, Brown. No good with the triple. Third quarter action in just under 3.5 minutes have gone. Kept alive. Pass to Caldwell Pope. Back to Gordon. 6 to shoot. That drops.
What a big-time mismatch it's been in the post. Where's the defensive adjustment? They're getting housed down there.
Outside Conley. Takes the 3. Timberwolves keep it alive. Now Porter. 14 points, their largest lead in the game. Can't hit. the end of the third quarter. It's a double-digit ball game. And we welcome you back. Glad to have you with us as more basketball is on the way. During the break, the players getting refueled with Gatorade. And are looking amped up and ready to get going once again. Murray. Offline with his three.
Boy, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those wide open opportunities.
Pass to Anderson. Takes a three. The shot, no good. Now here's Gordon. Here's Caldwell Pope. Jokic. Here's Caldwell Pope. Off target with his three. From deep three-point range. Can't get it to go. Here is Porter. We're just over a minute into this final quarter of play. Now here's... That's good.
They are not rotating nearly quickly enough on defense down low. Got to get quicker there.
And the Timberwolves call time. And the Timberwolves making a change here. And here is Conley. Pass to Anderson. Back to Conley. Fourth quarter now. We're about a minute and a half in. Plenty of daylight on that shot. Clark, if they want to, they can milk the clock just a little bit here.
Amen. I think that's the best option.
Poke loose. There's the triple. Rebound by the Nuggets. Second minute off the clock now in the fourth. Murray. Hits the three-point bomb. Minnesota with the ball. 17-point game. Now Conley. And misplay.
You know, fellas, once he got into position under the boards, I mean, he wasn't letting anybody get around him.
Throws down the alley-oop slam. Lets it go with a three. And he gets it to go.
In the first half, they didn't shoot nearly as many threes. But finding themselves down now, they've started to cast up a lot more triples.
Here is Porter. And he can't answer back. The three-pointer offline. Back to Conley. Pass to Anderson. Shot clock at 6. Towns hits the jumper in space.
That's just run-of-the-mill for him. A typical day at the office. He's one of the more skilled offensive players out there.
Murray. Here is Anderson. Outside Conley. Here's the three. The rebound by Caldwell Pope.
Tell you what, the defense has nothing to worry about out there with him shooting. I mean, he can't dial it in from deep this half at all.
Pass to Porter. Murray. Here's Caldwell Pope. Nailed from three-point land. And so it's Minnesota with it. From half court, off target. So it's the Nuggets.